Welcome to episode 3 of the Dodge Brothers restoration. This episode I'm going to finish off taking the side panel apart, and now I've finally managed to drag up some support and we're going to lift off the body from the chassis. It would have been nice to have used that as a template to make a new one, but there's just no way I'm going to get it off without breaking it. That's about enough destruction for one night. What I have discovered is a frame which I imagine, looking at the way it joins everywhere, is exactly the same layout as it would have been in 1931 when it was built. So I imagine the bloke who's tried to restore it has actually measured and accurately represented what it would have looked like. So that gives us a really good template to make something good. We've also got some other projects going on in the barn at the moment, and today I'm working on those, so unfortunately the Dodge has got to get out of the way. So I'm going to stick the wheel back on and push it out of the barn and then carry on with other projects. And then all of a sudden, all of these little notches line up with the holes, and they have to be in line, otherwise these little clamps don't fit.
I've decided that now it's out the barn, actually we'll just quickly tidy it up, then I'm going to see if I can persuade some people to help lift this body off now.
I do believe we're clear. Well, slow down. Let me out. Right. I can't walk that fast. Ideal. Straight backs.
Silly bugger. That's on film.
Oh, well, that was actually quite good.
You realise that that's going on camera?
Oh.
Well, that was good fun. And one chassis without a body. My favourite bit about this is pieces like this that have never been seen for 90 years. We're the first people to see that. How exciting. And here's the body. That looks exactly as it looked on the back of the chassis, only it's a lot further down. So we'll have a look at that soon. Okay, so just one last thing before we wrap up. I need to get this gutter off before it spears someone in the eye when they walk in the barn, so just a few screws. And there we go. Now I'm going to remove the passenger side gutter. Oh, hello. And there's a little taster as to what the wooden roof looks like. Well, that's me done for this episode. Thanks everyone for helping me on this, lifting the body off and all that, and Doris up there, of course. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to pop them in the comments section below and I'll do my best to answer them for you. Otherwise, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.